A powerful manifesto echoed from the Vatican recently, shaking the entire world. Pope Leo made a historic declaration stating that artificial intelligence must be stripped of its military use immediately. He argued that technology should never enslave humanity, instead, it must serve our collective well being. You heard that right. Since the very first videos on this channel, I have been trying to expose the modern slavery aquarium we are all trapped in. Now, even the highest spiritual authorities are forced to confess this truth. Even they can see the fatal cracks forming in the glass of the aquarium. Pope Leo is completely right to ring the alarm bells. But here lies the true tragedy of our world. While spiritual leaders call for peace and humanity's common good, greedy governments and global elites are doing the exact opposite behind closed doors. They ignore these holy warnings and continue to weaponize technology to protect their own power. They don't want a fair world. They want you to fear the progress of AI so that they can keep a monopoly on its immense potential. The problem is never the machine, and it is certainly not the leaders calling for peace. The problem is the benched, insatiable human hand driving the global system from the shadows. Let us look closer at this disarmament issue with real numbers. Do you know how much global governments spend every single year just to kill, defend, or attack each other in the military industry? A staggering $3 trillion. Out of this mind-blowing sum, the United States alone spends nearly $1 trillion, while European nations blow through more than $400 billion solely on weapons technology. This is the greatest tragedy of our species. Governments willingly flush trillions of dollars down the drain every year without blinking, just to fund global warfare. Think about it deeply. Poverty, hunger, and financial stress are not natural disasters. They are manufactured choices. This $3 trillion war machine exists solely to maintain artificial scarcity. Why? Because a society that is constantly struggling to pay bills, constantly living in fear of survival, is a society that is easy to control. By wasting the absolute peak of our technological brilliance on weapons, the global elite ensures that you stay locked inside the aquarium, too exhausted to look up and see the bars. This is precisely where our Fintek AI 2050 vision steps in. Imagine if we redirected these massive global budgets away from missiles and bombs and toward technologies that actually liberate humanity from hard labor. Picture transferring these trillions of dollars into autonomous agricultural robots working day and night in the fields, or mining robots taking the place of workers risking their lives in dark tunnels, or automated factories managed entirely by advanced AI. If we invest this wealth into human prosperity rather than weapons, the heavy burden of survival disappears. Humanity gains vast amounts of time for loved ones, for creativity, and for life itself. Most importantly, there would be no reason left to fight. Scarcity ends, and true peace begins. We must develop AI not to kill, but to set humanity free. When we talk about setting humanity free through AI, the skeptics always ask, but what will people do if machines do all the work? The answer is simple. We will finally start living. For centuries, humanity has been reduced to mere organic gears in a financial machine. Once advanced algorithms take over the brutal, soul-crushing labor, human intelligence will be unleashed. We will explore the cosmos, cure diseases, create art, and elevate our consciousness. We will no longer exist just to survive. We will exist to evolve. To dear Pope Leo, I say this: simply disarming AI from the hands of greedy states and corporations is not enough to end this exploitation. The solution is not to stop AI out of fear. It is to hand over resource management to unbiased, unbribable, and flawless algorithms. When global production and logistics are governed by an AI coded solely for equal human prosperity, this aquarium will shatter completely. Wake up. Even the Pope sees the danger and is screaming it to the world. This decaying financial system will collapse sooner or later. What matters is having a ready-made governance model designed by fair digital codes when that collapse comes. This is your ticket out of the aquarium. Like, share, and join us to echo our voice against the global elite. The future belongs to those who unite for it today.